ready for this?
So we're going to have Terri do something for us. She's going to grab a cat up off of the floor here. She's going to have to wrestle it because she's going to be putting it into a tub of water where she's going to shampoo it, and then taking it out of the thing, she's going to use a little blow dry, and then shave it. There you go. Think you got all that?
I think so.
Let's go.
She didn't have to shave it, she blew through the hair.
I know.
It's almost to remember.
So now I need from you a suggestion. These two individuals have an occupation, a really unusual occupation. What would that occupation be?
Zoologist.
Zoologist. You two are zoologists, and that's pretty much it. You ready for this?
Sure.
Awesome. We have Terri and Kris. Zoologist in 3, 2, and 1.
Dr. Terri, I see you are milking that cow quite profusely. Here, some in here. Yes, that cow is definitely pregnant. All right, get along, Bessie.
Oh, wow. They said you were the best. I'm so glad you're here.
I am. I'm very good. I'm practicing testing animal pregnancies just by tasting the milk. I guess.
Well, we have a male giraffe here.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Okay, go on.
So what I really wanted to bring you here is I've got this cart right here. It's got sandpaper wheels apparently. So I've got this microscope. If you can see here, it's a laser guided, by the way. As you can see here now, what we've got in this slide, take a peep right in there.
Oh, it's got a light switch on it too. Oh, now I see.
Now as you can see, those are cells that are actively splitting. Listen, you can hear them split. Yeah, it does. It kind of sounds like you're walking in from a rainy day in the mud or something there. That's why we call them the mud splitting cells. We're going to use these. Let me get rid of this cart. Sandpaper wheels again. We're going to use that cell. We're going to make our own hybrid animals.
You are as good as they said. Okay.
Yep. Now, if you can see here with this chart.
All right, let me get my laser pointer. Oh, look at that. All right. Oh, burnt the hole through. I'm so sorry. Oh, let me put the fire out.
Okay, let me get rid of the chart.
Oh.
Yeah, but you maybe shouldn't touch any of my equipment anymore. What we're going to do is we're going to be mixing this with a monkey. Let me open this window. You can hear them through the window. You can open the window. That's how loud and excited they are to get mixed.
There are so many of them. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, don't ask what they're throwing. Probably a bad animal for this guy to do.
Oh my gosh. All right. We've got to lure those monkeys in here so we get them to.
All right, shh. All you got to do is your monkey call.
All right.
They always come to dog noises. Let me open the window and the alpha should show up. We need to oil that window. All right, here he comes now. See, he thinks he's a dog.
I'm beating his chest. He's so strong. Wow.
Yeah.
He's barking too. He does it.
Yeah, when he beats his chest, he actually sounds more like a monkey. That sounds amazing.
Oh, wait, there it goes.
So here we go. Now, I'm going to take the syringe and pull up these cells. There's a lot of cells. Well, it's a big monkey. So
Big syringe.
All right, now here we go. What I need you to do is sing him a soothing song so he'll go to sleep. That is one of the most beautiful songs I've ever heard. Oh, he's asleep. We gotta make sure he's not dead. Let me hear his heart beating. His heart is asleep too.
That's a concern.
All right, well, here we go. I need you to hold his hand, and I'm gonna put this inside his veins. He's got angry veins. Oh, don't worry, squeeze it back.
Can you hear the bones crunching? Oh my God!
Those are your bones crunching?
Yes!
Oh, I am so sorry. Here, put it in that bucket of ice.
Oh.
All right, let me finish squeezing this in. Oh, I think this one, ooh, he liked it, apparently.
Oh my gosh, he's laughing uncontrollably. In his heart.
Well, yeah, he barks like a dog when he's angry, and he purrs like a cat when he's laughing. It's a strange monkey. All right, let me just wheel him off here to the side. Dr. Terri, I'm really sorry about your broken hand, which seems to have healed very
The
quickly.
ice is amazing.
It is, but it's a natural cure.
And scene.